Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up,
Today,
buddy?
we're gonna do a little cutting.
Whoa. Stop.
What?
Don't do it.
What you mean?
You need to look at this commercial first.
Huh?
I think you have a problem.
You have a problem.
Just watch the commercial.
Okay, shut up.
Are you addicted to cutting plastic?
No. Yes, you are.
Do you find yourself sweeping up piles and piles of plastic after a project?
Yes, you do.
You
all the
are
time.
not alone.
You not alone.
Call our toll-free
Man, I'm
number.
not calling this
just call the
garbage.
number.
1-800.
Man, you need help. Whatever. Anyway, this is balsa wood. I'm gonna use this for this next part of the project.
Wait, what are you gonna do with that?
Don't worry about it. I got a problem, remember? But anyway, I'm gonna stain it with this. I actually got 2 bottles of this. I got the oak and I got the maple. 'Cause I'm gonna need 2 different colors. I'm gonna need a light color and I'm gonna need a darker color. Wait, are you doing what I think you're doing? Probably. What do you think I'm doing? I think you're making real wood doors. If so, brilliant. Oh, so I guess I don't have a problem now, huh? No, you definitely have a problem. But this is a good idea right here. Thanks. I figure, it's gonna be a woody and I wanted to do something special to it. So why not have real wood for the woody? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I feel you on that one. But still though, I may be wrong.
True.
But I think you're cutting way too much plastic off of this kit. After a while, it's just gonna be a pile of junk. You know what I'm saying?
First of all, it's a rat rod.
Okay, rat rod.
And to go back to what you said a while ago,
yeah,
you're absolutely right.
oh, thanks,
You
man.
are
definitely wrong.
Wait, what?
So back to the model. I'm actually just copying the pattern that's already on the kit.
Okay, I get
From the factory. But I'm just, doing it in wood. So, yeah. All the trim pieces are getting stained dark, a dark maple, and that inner panel is the oak, the lighter color. Just so it'll have some kind of little contrast, you know what I'm saying?
I got you.
Now, balsa wood is very fragile, so you got to be careful when you're dealing with it.
Okay.
I know I'm using a rotary tool on it, a Dremel.
Yeah, I see
But
that.
I just happen to be a professional, non-licensed Dremel user, so
Man, don't shut up.
when you do this, just make sure you're careful and that it could break. You may have to do this over and over again. You know what I'm saying? Until you get it right.
Okay.
So what are you using to attach it? Funny you should ask, my buddy. I'm just using the typical white Elmer's glue. The all-purpose glue.
Oh, okay. You could have just said Elmer's glue. I mean, you didn't have to go through all the my buddy and all that. You know what I'm saying? You doing extra.
You sure do complain a lot.
I mean, really?
I do. You ever sit back and just listen to yourself?
No, not really. I mean,
You are just so annoying. You always complain.
I mean, I'm just
Just be more positive. I mean, I never get a word in edgewise because you always
you
talking.
do get a word in. It's just that.
See, there you go again. I can't say anything.
No, wait.
You always
I'm
got
just trying
something to say. Can I talk? Can I please talk?
Somebody that can't talk.
Okay,
you sure ought to
I'll just
talk.
let you talk. Since you got something to say, something you want to get off your mind,
talking
go ahead.
about?
I'm gonna let you talk. Go now.
Dang, like
And
that.
another thing, it don't matter what I'm doing. I could be doing something real cool, and you
you
still
just
go say something
Said
crazy.
I can
Like,
talk.
dang.
I mean, yeah, you do
See,
a
you
good job.
just talk over me. You
just
just
that-
talk over me. You heard me talking, and you started talking over me.
I ain't saying nothing else.
Good. Now back to the video. So where I'm at right now, I'm still staining the trim pieces for the door. It's coming along pretty good. Now as you can see, I got the door complete, and it pretty much matches the plastic counterpart on the actual kit. So now I'm gonna feed my addiction and cut this door out. Oh, I get it now. Get what? So you're still upset that I said you have a problem with cutting plastic. Am I right?
No. Come on.
Maybe? Come on, a little. Look, man, I was just pointing out a problem that I thought you had. That's what friends do. We help each other out. I mean,
right.
it ain't like, you talk to yourself or anything.
Oh no.
That would be crazy to
do
be real.
that.
No, but I didn't mean no harm, man. I was just trying to,
Alright,
be helpful. We cool. But that's the end of the video,
Alright.
so
Oh, that's it.
thanks for watching.
Okay.
Like,
I
comment,
will. I do.
subscribe. Peace.